Hey everyone, it's Ariella from Work It Daily, and today we're going to be talking about things you need to consider before quitting your job. Just a quick reminder to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to get notified every time we post a new video, be sure to click on the little bell. Okay, let's get started. Quitting is a huge decision, and unfortunately it's one of those things that we've all considered at least once in our lives. However, it can be a huge game changer when it comes to your life. Okay, so before you make any rash decisions, make sure you consider these 5 things before you hand in your 2 weeks notice. 1. Have you worked in that job for at least 2 years? Okay, so what the heck is the 2-year rule and why does it matter? People aren't automatically good at their jobs. So when you first start your job, you're going to have to be practicing and learning a lot of new stuff. So if you're not giving yourself enough time to really hone your skills, you're probably going to be selling yourself short if you leave too early. 2. Do you have the right experience? Have you built up enough experience to effectively market yourself to different employers? If not, you might want to consider staying a little bit longer at your current job so you can build up that credibility and get that experience. 3. Are you overworked? Are things a little bit too crazy at work right now? Are you feeling overwhelmed or burned out? This could be a sign that you need to reclaim your job. So what do I mean by that? I mean you need to find assistance, tools, and resources that'll help you do your job better. Because when you do your job better, you're going to feel a lot more in control at your job and a lot more comfortable. 4. Have you tried to energize the role or take it to the next level? Sometimes we just get bored. If you know a job like the back of your hand, it could be time to get a new challenge. So you want to be thinking about ways you can really step up your responsibility. 5. Is something else going on? Are you blaming work for something that's happening outside of work? Things like relationship issues, financial issues, and other challenges outside of work can actually affect you inside of work because it causes additional stress. All of that additional stress can actually fog up your brain so much that you can't even focus at work, and it's going to cause even more stress on top of it. So if you're secretly blaming that stress on your job when it's really coming from somewhere else, quitting is not your best option because that stress is just going to carry over to the next job. It's better to identify those issues happening outside of work and then resolve them before you even consider quitting your job, because that might not be the issue at all. Bonus tip! Be careful. If you do choose to quit your job, make sure you have a job lined up first. Why? Even if you're a great fit for that job, you risk being passed over for that other candidate who's already employed. Job search can take an average of 9 months. 9! That's a long time to be out of work, so you want to make sure that you're finding something while you're already employed, so you still have that paycheck coming in. Think it through and make smart choices. If it's time to quit, you'll know what to do. So, what are some other things you consider before quitting a job? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to share if you think that this video will benefit someone else in your network. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, if you want to win, you have to work it daily.